Hey YouTube, Jackie here. How's everybody doing? Just a quick little post. Hadn't posted in a while, and I know I had promised, if anyone cares, I had said that I would let you all know how this purple skin firming cream worked for me. It was a couple months ago, I put a post about it, the famous purple jar that everybody was posting about, but for me, it didn't work. Wah, wah, wah. But anyway, yeah, for me, it didn't work. I really gave it a try because I said I'm going to give this a whole try. I'm going to use it up to the last drop, but nah, didn't work for me. Wonder if it truly worked for other people. I don't know. I don't know if somebody tried it and it totally worked for them, maybe, because I'm sure there's different brands out there. I know there's that one main brand, but maybe I got the wrong one. I don't know, but I did give it a chance and it didn't work for me. I don't see the ads for it in my feed much anymore either. I used to constantly see the commercial for it, about everybody, rubbing it on their tummy and all that. But anyway, yeah, it didn't work for me. And at any rate, just another quick thing. I know I had mentioned that I had a rotator cuff surgery a few months back, and I had a repair on my rotator cuff and on my shoulder, and it was never getting better. It was continually hurting. Finally, between me and my physical therapist, we agreed something was wrong. When I was going in for follow-ups with my surgeon, he didn't seem to think there was a problem. He felt like because it was so badly torn in the first place, it was only natural that I'd be hurting so much still. But I was never getting better, because with the rotator cuff issue, for example, I can lift my arm like this, bop, 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 anything I want to do. I can only get my arm up this high without me helping it up. And then even doing this hurts very bad right now. It's constantly in pain, because finally the doctor did some dexterity tests and decided to send me for an MRI, because he finally felt like there was something wrong himself. And sure enough, through the MRI, I found out it's retore, severely retore. Tore and pulled back, he said. Not only tore, but pulled back. And so I'm very irritated, because I just wish if I had been kind of listened to early, sooner, I could have been on the road to recovery sooner, because this has really put me back on things I'm needing and trying to do in my life. It's really messed me up. Time-wise, seniority-wise, everything, for like my job and everything. But so I found out a total shoulder replacement. Wow, really upset about it, but I'm a person that does try to see the positive in most things, and the silver lining thing would be, from what I'm told, that when you do a replacement, you see immediate results. I should feel better immediately. I can use it immediately. With the repair, I had to wait a few weeks. You have to keep in a sling and can't use it for a few weeks. Then you start your physical therapy and you can start, using it and not use a sling. But they say with the replacement, day one, you can start using it. But I'll keep you posted. I'm going to have the surgery in a few weeks, and I'll let you know how that goes. And one thing the surgeon did say to me when I went in for that last one and we read the MRI results, he said, we as surgeons, if we let our patients talk a little more and listened a little longer, we might have different results. But I guess that was his way of kind of apologizing, because he really wasn't listening to me. But I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.